Damn. Ooh. Good day, guys. Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day. Good day. Bro, like this network stuff was kind of crazy, but we up now. Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please kindly comment. Let me announce that we're live now. Good day. Good day. GM. Oh, great. All right. So let's begin, please. Hope you can hear me, right? Can you hear me? Let's begin. Let's begin. Can you hear me? So, basically, this life is going to be informative. I'm going to be sharing some certain type of information to you guys, and also we're going to review the market. And yeah, after reviewing the market, we then know our next action from here. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen while we do this. Okay. I'll be sharing my screen. So please, guys, can you see my screen right now? I want to be sure you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Please, so that we go deep neck into the market right now. Can you see my screen, please? Yo, please, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? I want to be sure you can see my screen before I go further. I just shared my screen right now. Can you see my screen, please? Okay, great. Please, I will love able to like flow, you know, smoothly. So yeah, it's our Bitcoin trade we took. So there's a reason why I'm starting from this. We took um we're gonna win this trade. Okay, we're going to win this trade 100%. We're going to win this trade. In fact, we're already winning the trade, but we're going to win it. But there's something I want to make clear to everybody watching me right now. Why I want to make this clear is so that we will understand the kind of person that is leading the community. The dream chaser, that's me, right? You understand the type of trader I am, then so that you can be able to take advantage of my information. Sometimes I say 5x, some of you go 10x and all that, and you win, sometimes you lose. I'm about to clarify some things here right now. Okay, so first of all, this is our Bitcoin trade. We took this trade. Now, there's something I want to explain here, and I need you guys to follow. You might be able to learn a couple of things from here. Now, first of all, this red line signifies a resistance. So when the price comes here, it dumps. It came back here, it dumped. It came back here, it dumped, right? Now, when it came here, there was a breakout. Now, this orange, I'm marking it out with an orange circle. There was a breakout here. Immediately I saw this breakout, I put out a long trade. What is that long trade for? Why am I putting that long trade? Because we have had a breakout, and the next candle beside this green is red, which is a retest. Immediately I put a buy order there. But guess what? That is where trading is hard. Sometimes when I see some people very smooth, maybe trading is a get rich quick scheme or whatever, they don't do with a lot of um, intelligence. It has to do with a lot of it's a game, right? And this game is being played by extremely intelligent We were very small in it, because those intelligent people, apart from the fact that they are intelligent, they also have liquidity, money, a lot of money, way more than us. We are just like little babies in it, Now, see what these guys did here, right? What they did is that there was a breakout and they broke below it again. Now, breaking below it again simply means that it's no longer a long trade. It is what? It has been, this particular place represents a fake out. Now, and guess what? A lot of people started shorting from this place. A lot of them started shorting from here. But me, what did I do? That's why I say you need to understand that is leading you. Now, let me tell you how many support we have here before we would have hit our stop loss, right? Now, after the breakout, so when there's a breakout above a resistance, the former resistance becomes a new support. So this was the first one, it failed. Now, this place is a second one, a second support, right? Now we have another support here before this next support here. So what does it mean? BTC needed to break at least 4 supports starting from. Why I'm deleting this is because I don't like tampering with my chart when I'm putting out my before and after in the community, or as a proof of, okay, this trade was a loss or a win. Now, Bitcoin have deceived a lot of people thinking we are shorting. It came down here and I kept screaming. When it came here, it formed bottom one, bottom two, it gave a breakout. But see what Bitcoin did not do. Bitcoin did not come back to retest the neckline, for those of you that know how to analyze properly, and Bitcoin has broken out again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my dream chasers, as I fondly call you guys, we have a new support here, a clean breakout. Now, guess what? Not going up here, or Bitcoin will retest this support here, and look at the first resistance Bitcoin is going to face here. So our first resistance is $2,000 around that zone. But brethren, I tell you, I no lie to you, I tell you, Bitcoin is coming to 99,000, and I will give you another reason, another fact to back this up. Please, are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? I need to see comments. Comments so I will know you're with me. Yeah, we're going to move over to the next one. Please comment, comment, comment. I need to be sure you're with me. Active, 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 active. Okay, cool, 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 cool. So I want you to do something for me. I want you to do something for me, right? Um, you could actually share this live video to somebody, share to your friend and everybody, so that they can be able to, uh, partake from this. Excellent OD is a musician. Is my friend. This is the first time you are joining our life. Aha, welcome, my boss. I see you. 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 Okay, so this is about Bitcoin. So basically, and let me say one more thing before like I said, when I called Bitcoin, some people do not know that we're going to blow up in Bitcoin. And bro, it's going to blow up. 99K is going to be, it's like an epic price. Now, see something here. Another thing here, because of I took this trade with a trend line strategy, or some of us call this a blue flag, right? That is why I entered. People, they have seen this breakout. What they will do is that they are waiting for a retest down to this place. They will take this trade from here. Now, if I didn't want to use a breakout, like rather a trend line, right? Done is this. Start from the bottom, come up here, and when I do this, 61. I've always shown this for those of you that have been joining our life and conversant to our life. I've always called my Fibonacci, and our golden zone, or my golden zone on my Fibonacci. Let me show you the number. Let me increase it. My golden zone is usually 61. You see what it did? It came down and tested 61. If I had known, if I our golden zone will be here, so people will start screaming, bad guy, bad guy. It's not bad guy. It's just that I'm privileged to have this tool. My friend back then, Somto Billionaire, he gave me this tool and set it for me, and it's amazing. Shout out to Somto Billionaire, my friend. So now, according to Fibonacci, right? Our first take profit always in Fibonacci is usually at zero. In this my Fibonacci. Now my zero is known as a resistance. Like I said the other time, you see how it is concurring now, but we have broken this resistance. Now that we have broken this resistance, what I am expecting is a retest down to this place, and some people will be shorting it thinking the market is dumping. So let's say we have an 88,000 dump to 87,000 dump. That is if this retest is going to happen. Some people would start saying, we are bearish, we are bearish. We are not bearish, it's just the uptrend, which is what a retest is happening to gather liquidity after it has broken the boss in it is 61.8. Now Fibonacci pattern, my Fibonacci pattern, or my Fibonacci strategy, right? Just using it, this is what it gives us here. We're having 99,000, and I believe and I know that I don't 90% sure we're going to this place. And yeah, remember I did it with Apex. All right, so it's loading. Yo, guys, please, are you with me? I want to be sure everyone is with me before I continue, please. So if you can hear me properly, please comment. I need to be sure everybody's on here. All right, active. I love it. When I say active, I'm happy. Yes, let's go. So yes, guys. So remember, I did this with Apex. Apex must get to this 1.1. Please, can you see me? Can you see the screen? Somebody said I can hear you, but I cannot see the screen. Blossom, please, can you see the screen? And please be giving this video a thumbs up. Please keep giving it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend these videos to other people also. Guys, can you see my screen, please? Can you see my screen? Please, others, please continue. I mean to say comments, please. I need to be sure you can see my screen, please. My screen. Can you see the chat on the screen? Okay, good. Dalo said yes. Dalo Dimtreksky. Dalo, where are you from? Okay, cool. So, yeah, everybody can see my screen. Okay, from Macedonia. Good. Good to have you here from Macedonia. That's cool. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn up notifications. Okay. Europe. Yeah, good to have you here. Okay, somehow blow. Now this is it. This trend line, you can see the trend line. There's a breakout and there's a retest, and boom, we here. This is about 19% profit. Now we're gonna hit full TP soon, and the full TP is 46%. And remember, I told you guys to long this trade with 5x leverage, so you can imagine the profit 5 times 30 something percent. That's a lot of money, over 150. See Bitcoin down to 87. Please, it is a retracement and not a dump. We're going to have market pumps to 90 something, and a lot of people don't know this because the market conditions, or rather, the market condition has made it seem as if um, we are so bearish. We are so bearish. The bull market is over. I've lost hope. In fact, I believe in this comment section, some of you would have lost Reply, please. Have you lost hope on the bull run? Because I believe a lot of people have lost hope. A lot of backs are like 80% down and all of that, And this is, yeah. So, like as I was saying, most of the analysis I'm giving here are short-term analysis, bro. If you see the long-term analysis or the longer-term analysis or a bigger view, it is amazing. It is amazing. Better already. So okay, so let us move straight. I don't want to be on this live for more. So yeah, let us move to so let me be sure that some of you are following me, right? What I post. So according to what I've been posting since, I said there is something that is the biggest indicator in the market, right? So what is that? What is that? I mentioned it today. So what is that stuff? I said it's the biggest indicator in the market. Very, very good. Amazing. Yeah, this is nice. So Chibog will say USDT.D. And yeah, in fact, a lot of you, Fawaz, Ashoba, Yamba, Starfrush. Yes, amazing. So USDT.D is an amazing tool. So that is what I want to show you right now. And I want to show you the bigger picture on USDT.D. Then with that, you'll be able to guide. With that, you'll be able to guide yourself. With that, what I'm to expect of this market. Okay. And it's going to be an exciting one for you right now because a lot of reaction, positive news, a lot and some of you are going to make, I don't want to say everybody, but some of you are going to make life-changing money from this bull run, especially those of you that will take action. Like yesterday, for the past some time. Okay, so let me give this gist before I continue. There was one Sunday, I think last 2 weeks Sunday or 3 weeks Sunday, there was a massive pump and we made a lot of money that day as a community. Remember, a lot of people were like, it's weekend, no liquidity. And I'm always saying, trade what you see. I always trade what I say. I don't listen to noise. Okay. So, and for what it is, most times it works for me. And I have never seen before. Yeah, but at least I post my wins, I post my losses. So let's say right now, for now, because of the market conditions, I'm in between 70, 80 in my wins, right? But I'm going to up my game very, very soon. I'm working so hard to hit at least maybe 85, 90. Okay. Now that day, a lot of people were like, it is weekend. It is weekend. Oh, Marlon. Marlon, my guy is here. Marlon, what's up? What's up? Welcome. So so a lot of people were like, it is weekend, it's not gonna pump, blah 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 blah, and boom, the market pumps. Now, if you check, since probably like for a month now or 2 months, every Monday, the market dumps every Monday. Today, a lot of people were liquidated because they have the mindset that market dumps. But guess what? Market pumped this Monday, and guess who is on those pumps? I am on those pumps. I've been putting out long trades for the past 4 5 days. I am on those long. So this is USDT.D. There's this chart I've not shared, right? Rather, I've shared it, but I'm not making emphasis on it. So I'm going to show you guys now. So USDT.D. I was showing you guys right, but I've not made emphasis on the bigger part. So that is what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so it's loading. So once it comes up, you're going to see USDT.D. Brother, this is like this bull run is going to be epic. Allah, from what the chart is showing, this bull run is going to be epic. It's going to be a very big one. And honestly, I don't want any of you to miss this bull run. I know some of us, our backs are down, to be fair. Some of us, our backs are down. To be very, very fair, our backs are down, and I understand that. Okay. But I just wanted to believe and know that this is going to be an epic time. It's hard now. It's always hard. So because of it's hard now, because that is when a lot of people get scared and leave. So make sure you're in it because it's going to be epic. I did this analysis on the CPI day. A lot of you know, on CPI day, this first chart, I did the analysis and I told you guys from here we are bullish. What happened here? There was a fake out. This place is a fake out. Let me mark it out. Fake out, making everybody think that we are still going to, like, USDT.D is going to pump, and if USDT.D is pumping, it means that the market is going to be dumping. But guess what? There was a fake out here. Immediately I spotted it out. So I'm teaching you what I use. Probably you could learn from it also, and become a good analyst like I am, or the best analyst. I don't consider myself a good analyst. I marked out now is shoulder one. Then we have the head. Then we have this, and we have the next shoulder here. The next shoulder. And guess what? What the market does is that it goes back to start from the beginning. Let me choose to call here the hand. It goes back to start from here. So it's going to come down here, right? It's going to come down here to this point, USDT.D. And if USDT.D comes here, it means that the market will be pumping. Let me delete that. Now, this analysis on the CPI day. And from the CPI day, it is today that it hit the CPI day profit. I don't want to call this profit, but let's call price target. It hits it today. You can see. Let me show you. Use a straight line to draw that out. Let me show you guys. So you can see the target here. So you can see it is today it hit the target. Now, what does it mean? For me to have put this here, it means that we have a little support here. Now, that is why I told you, when you see, if you see Bitcoin at 86,000, please, we're not bearish. We are extremely bullish. It is just a retracement. Now, let me show you what. We've had a breakout below the support here. Now, guess what? I'm expecting price to come and retest this former support to become a new resistance, right? This former support that is now a new resistance, I'm expecting price to retest that. So what am I expecting from USDT.D? It's going to make this move, probably come into this box. When it's coming to this box, you're going to see Bitcoin at maybe 86K. It's a normal market movement. Then it continues its journey. Okay? In fact, let me be fair. Let us mark out the zones right now that we have here, just to be fair to our market movement expectation. So we have a support here also. So yeah. So when we come here and test here, then our next support is around here. This move is going to take Bitcoin to over 90 something thousand dollars, probably approaching 99,000. Just this move here is going to take it. Please, I want to be sure you guys are here with me. Yeah, Marlon, I'm always active. Blessings. I'm always active. Yeah, Blossom. You say yes, boss. I was actually surprised you are still holding your BTC entry. Of course, because like this is what it is, It's what it is. It is what it is. So yeah. So Bitcoin is at already 87K. Yeah, so when you see this move, that's Bitcoin is going down because USDT.D is I don't want to say it's pumping, it is retracing to pick liquidity from this resistance before we dump to the next support. This dump is going to take you BTC to 99,000 or more. Okay. Yeah, this is Ghana flag, right? Asoba, thank you so much. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Shey they see I get fans all over the world. This is no small. Yeah, so it is what it is, right? Now, let me get this out because I want to share. I want to share what they call it, the after when this plays out. I want to share it on my social media. So smaller target. Now, the reason why this TP is here, the reason why this TP or target, price target is here is because of this support here. So you see, I am this, you can call me the zone guy. I always mark out my zones and I don't play with my zones. Probably I was scalping BTC right now. You know what I'm going to do? If I was scalping, I could have taken profit because I need to come here and re-enter from here. But I'm not scalping. I'm actually holding that trade because sometimes the market does an impulsive move without any retracement, and I don't want to move Bitcoin. I don't want to miss any move on Bitcoin. Now, this whole stuff I've shown you guys on USDT is on a smaller time frame, which is what 4 hours time frame. Before I go further, please, I want to see your comments, guys. Are you enjoying this? And then please make sure you are smashing that like button. Okay, smash the like button to recommend this video to other people. Okay, so smash the like button, and I want to be sure, are you enjoying this live video? Are you enjoying the live video? Are you enjoying the live video? Do you enjoy the information you're getting here? Personally, I think the information is premium information. Oh, you see, I did tell you make una they see. If I put them for Snapchat, I want make people know say DC no small. Share the same. Yes, so this is live. We're live members. They are joining, leaving. They show my fans say, they show my fans for Snapchat, so I get fans for you too. All right. Share the same. So yes, so this is. So yeah. So yeah. So all right. Now we're moving to the bigger picture. Okay. So we're going to move to the bigger picture right now. Yeah, premium update, Vincent Tobechuku. Tochuku is my Igbo Tochuku. So yeah, we share the same name. Tochuku Tobechuku. Yeah, so the network is kind of lagging. Okay, yeah, on 4 hours. Now let's go to daily. Okay. Now, when we move to daily time frame, so I know some of you have given up. Some of you are tired of investing. I know, but right, we are gonna win epically. We are gonna win, okay, epically. It's gonna be massive. So, on a much bigger time frame, you see, I don't know if you guys were following. I need to be sure everybody's following, right? So let me show you some things here. So we have that same pattern, which is what? Shoulder, head, shoulder on a daily. And this one is just starting. It is just starting. Then, if you know how to analyze, you will see that we already have an evening tick. Not this candle, not this one trying to close. I'm talking about the last 4 candles on USDT, aside from this one that is trying to close today. We have an evening candlestick. What does it mean? Night don't reach, it's going to dump. It's going to dump. Now, this is on a daily, right? Now, let us go to a weekly. Let me show you what is about to happen on a weekly. It's going to rather it's going to dump, and the whole crypto market is going to pump. The only coin that I don't want to use the word detest, but that broke my heart. That is the coin that spoiled my steez, right? That is the coin that spoiled my steez, and that is ETH. ETH, the native token for Ethereum blockchain, is very, very annoying. That is why since I've been mentioning BTC, because BTC and the general crypto market is moving in correlation with USDT dominance. But you see ETH. I don't know. ETH is just, and the funny thing I say, I do my money there. ETH is just very, very. I just the regret. Please, guys, be smashing the like button. Smash the like button for this video. Very important. No gonna no come turn me to all those girls for TikTok where they do tap 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 tap. This is not tap tap tap, but please smash the like button, okay? Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Yeah. So with USDT.D on a weekly time frame, I'm expecting from USDT.D. If this happens, you're going to see Bitcoin at $130,000. Let me change this to red because dumb. And so far, so good. USDT.D is respecting this resistance. Now, the smart people here, or the intelligent people here, or those of you that have an idea of analysis, will be like, oh, this target. Now, let me show you how come this target came about. Remember, I love using my super Fibonacci. So from here to here. So what I simply did is that to 1.1, 1.1, right? And bro, if we get here, thank God this is a live video and I'm recording it and it's gonna be put on my YouTube because we might make reference to this. If we get here, BTC is gonna be over 150k to almost 200k. But the reason why I put my because of I think that we have a stronger support around this zone. So that is why I put my targets here. I did not go to full 61. Maybe we might have it as a week. Personally, it is not good. It is not professional. It is not good. It is not professional in any way to call the bottom or the top. The bottom might end at USDT.D being around 1.91. But before we get our hopes so high and everything, please let us stick to the 4 hours and short-term target. What is the short-term target? We are hitting BTC at 99,000. Definitely. I'm going to share my P&L and I'm holding that trade because of normal me. I could have taken profit or whatever, but because of I want to prove a point to you guys that don't stop over leveraging. Yeah, stop over leveraging. Make sure you follow. See, there's something I don't know. I'm going to ask a question, and probably some of you will be commenting here. Just comment. Tell me the time you joined this community, and there's something I want to tell you, right? Which is, I don't promise you that we're going to win 100% of our trades. I don't, and I will never promise you that. But what I promise you is that you're going to be a profitable trader if you follow me exactly the way I, if you follow exactly, or rather, you follow the instructions I give out. I don't promise you're going to be a 100% win trader. It might take a while. Like, where's Reno? Reno is here. We bought ETH3 with a lot of money. Like, bro, in fact, one of my accounts I put in about 22k plus. My 22k plus is nice around on ETH3 on. My 22k plus is around 3,000 something dollars now. But I'm not even bothered of shaking. If ETH get back to 3.2, I'll probably be in profit or more. ETH3 is another type of update, don't worry. So Reno puts this money to me. That's why I'm saying that not only ETH won't stain my white. Do you understand? But for spot holders, whatever, we're gonna win our spot trades. For futures traders, obviously, we'll win a lot more than we ever lose. Obviously. So the only people that are being affected are high leverage traders. Bro, I am wait, let me show let me show you guys now. So before I see, so this is it. I am on 23% profit on Tao USDT. I am on profit and I use 2x to take that trade. And I think I've been holding for almost 1 week now, 2 weeks on that trade. 2x. Now, use 2x and keep taking your trades and be building gradually. And almost you might be realized that you have never lost one single trade and you have been winning maybe $5, $10 today, $20 tomorrow. Or every month you are sure that with your 2x you might be in some profit or little loss. Is it not better than you use 5x, 10x and you keep blowing your accounts? Now, see what I always tell people. Remember, it is a marathon and not a sprint. When it's a sprint, you run with all your energy because it's one is one. So in this context, if you if you approach crypto or trading as a sprint, it simply means that you are going to invest all your money and at full leverage. But if you consider it a marathon, you go in